In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GoHighLevel communities. By the end, you'll have a branded community space ready for your members, and you'll understand what each setting does, so nothing gets left out. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to the membership area. This is where all your member-facing content and community settings live. Once you're inside, look for the Communities section. This is the hub for conversations, announcements, and group interactions. Click into Communities to get to the tools we need. Inside Communities, open the Groups view. Groups are the actual communities your members will join, so this is where we'll create the container for discussions and updates. Click Create a Community to begin setting one up. You'll see a form with a few key fields. First, add your group name. Choose something clear and recognizable, like the name of your program or audience segment. Think about searchability and clarity. Your members should instantly know they're in the right place. Next is the group slug. The slug becomes part of the group's URL. Keep it short, lowercase, and easy to share. Hyphens work well to separate words, and avoiding special characters helps prevent broken links. For example, Pro Members is cleaner than a long sentence. Add a brief description. This is your elevator pitch for the group. Explain who the group is for, what members can expect, and any posting guidelines you want to set from the start. Clear expectations reduce confusion and encourage quality participation. Now let's brand your community. Upload a favicon. This is the tiny browser tab icon that reinforces your brand in members' bookmarks and tabs. A small square image works best. Keeping it simple ensures it looks crisp at small sizes. Add a cover image to give your group a polished, welcoming feel. A wide image with minimal text tends to look best across different screens. You can use this space for a tagline or a visual that sets the tone for your community. Finally, upload your logo. A square or circular version is ideal so it displays neatly in different places in the portal. Consistent branding across the favicon, cover, and logo builds trust and makes your community instantly recognizable. Review everything for typos and image clarity. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Group to publish your new community. That's it. Your GoHighLevel community is ready. You can now invite members, post updates, and start building engagement. Thanks for watching, and enjoy growing your community.